So to begin, click on create ad. Once you click on create ad, you will get an option to select your country, which you can see here. So I'm selecting India. So there are two options here. Where do you want to use your account? How do you want to use your account? One is if you have your own business, you're promoting like a business where you're selling goods or you're providing any services, you select the option one. If you are an agency, let's say you are doing business, you're going to do promotions for other businesses, you can also select option one. uh, Second option is where you are a person where you are promoting yourself, like you have a personal website, you have a personal page and you want to promote that, you can select on the second option. For now, the second option is not available directly, so when you click on next you will see that they will ask you for your contact info. So you can leave your contact info and they will get back to you once they are live. It's on approval only. So we go back, when you click on business of promoting goods and services, uh, right now they're giving a rupees 2000 cashback once you spend 2000 rupees in your account, so it's a good time to sign up right now. uh, Click on get coupon and continue. Enter your phone number, your email or phone password and verification code that will come to your email or phone number, and then you click on sign up.